Dear students, let us discuss the textual question of the enemy. And the first question is: there are moments in life when we have to make hard choices between our duty as private individuals and as citizens with a sense of national loyalty. Discuss with reference to the story. Yes, we have to face these situations in our life many times, as Dr. Sadao and Hana face. Dr. Sadao and Hana are expected to hand the American soldier to the army as patriotic citizens of Japan. They are expected to hand him over. They are not expected to help him because he is their country's enemy. He is their enemy. They are expected to hand him over. But they are faced with this problem that they are good human beings also. Dr. Sadao, as he's a doctor, he can't let a person die. He has been taught to save the life of a person if he can. And Hana is a very kind hearted woman, so they both have to face this, that either they can be patriotic or they can be good human beings. They face this problem, but they opt for being good human beings, and they take the American soldier to their home. So when there is a fight between mind and heart, generally heart wins. At heart they were kind hearted people. If they were not kind hearted people, they would not do this. They did this because they were very good human beings. So they opted for saving the life of that person. Dr. Sadao had two reasons to do this: because he was a doctor, he had to do this as a doctor, and he was a good human beings also. And Hana all respected him. Hana loved him, so she did all this for the sake of her husband, as well as she was a kind hearted lady. That's why also she did this. So I think you have understood this question. Dr. Sada was compelled by his duty as a doctor to help the enemy soldier. What made Hana sympathetic to him in the face of open defiance from the domestic staff? सर्वेंट्स जो थे वो बिल्कुल अगेंस्ट हो गए थे, और ऐसी कंडीशन में हाना से एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है कि वो अपनी फैमिली के बारे में सोचे, और उसको पता है कि ये जो डिसीजन है उनका अमेरिकन सोल्जर को अपने घर में रखने का, इट वुड बी वेरी प्रॉब्लमेटिक फॉर देम. दे वुड बी अरेस्टेड, दे वुड बी condemned to death. Still Hana was not thinking about it. She was full of sympathy for the American soldier and she helped him. So what was the reason? Dr. Sadao did this because he was a doctor, and he was compelled to do this because he has been taught to save the life of people, and he has to do this. It is in his tendency, it is in his subconscious mind to save the life of people. Why did Hana do this? So the reason is, Hana was full of respect for her husband. She loved her husband. Whatever her husband did, it was liked by her. She was always full of support for her husband, and she knew that it was her husband's duty to save the life of that person, so she had to support him. Second, she was a kind hearted lady. You know that women are considered kind hearted, they can't see anyone dying. So Hana was more kind. That's why she was not moved by the defiance from the domestic staff. If she was a normal kind hearted lady, she would be moved by this defiance, but she was a little more kind. That's why she didn't think about it. She was thinking about the pain that the person was going through. And most of all, she was a reasonable, educated, logical woman. She knew it very well that before being a patriotic person, we have to be good human beings. If we are just thinking about patriotism, we are thinking about our country only, then there would be no country in this world. We will fight with each other and we will spoil, we will demolish all the countries. She knows it very well. She was an educated woman. So these were the reasons why she supported, why she helped the American soldier. And I think you have understood the point. Next question is, why was Tom reluctant to leave the sheltered nook of the doctor's house? Even even when uh, what is the, I think you will be able to find the answer. I forgot the question. The question was like this: why was Tom reluctant to leave the sheltered nook of the doctor's house, even though he knew, even though he knew that his stay or his staying could be harmful for the doctor's family, and it would be harmful for his children. And this is the question. So you will find the question in the textbook. So what should be the answer? The answer is very simple. Tom was reluctant. Tom did not want to go away. When Sadao told him about all these things, that he has to go by rowing a boat to the to an island nearby the Japanese coast, and that he would have to wait there for Korean fishing boat. At first he was reluctant because he was safe at Dr. Sadao's home. He knew it very well. Although in the beginning he was afraid. When he first time when he saw Hana, Hana could see the fear in his eyes, and he had to prepare himself for the danger. वो इस तरह से अपने आप को संभाल रहा था जैसे कोई खतरा आने वाला है उसके लिए. But when he came to know that both husband and wife were very kind hearted people, they cared for him. She fed him herself, she served him herself, and Dr. Sadao also checked him time to time. His behavior towards the American prisoner of war was very kind. So he came to know that they were very kind hearted people and he was completely safe there. So he at this that time he was just thinking about his own life, and when he heard it that he had to go and wait on an island, he was afraid that he thought that he would be captured by Japanese army again, and he didn't want to go from there. But he also knew that he was danger for the doctor's family. So he was filled with gratitude towards the family. So he had to leave the home. He knew it very well that he could not live there forever. He had to go. So he had to respect the decision taken by Dr. Sadao. And it was because of the gratitude towards the doctor and his wife. So these three questions we discussed in this lecture, and I think you have understood them very well. If you have any problem, you can comment. So we are going to discuss remaining questions in the next lecture. Till then, my dear students, take care. Bye.